We crossed the toll Naka. We'll be waiting somewhere nearby. Dinesh and Sabir's cars to let them join. Okay, Vishal is already here, so I guess Sabir car is already here. Karthik, Vishal.
Sabir is missing, boss.
बैटरी की चिंता नहीं करता हूँ. So Vishal, how do you feel now?
Good. Feeling good. I'm excited.
Excited for what?
Excited to go to Goa.
Goa? What are you going to do there?
Let's see.
So not at plan?
Not yet planned.
Okay, great. So Mr. Dev Singh,
No plans.
you are looking gorgeous.
America return.
America returned, yes, right.
No, Australia return.
So what's the plan? What will do that there?
No plan right.
Huh? See,
तो नरेला
gorgeous Parik Patel.
नरेला है.
Nare.
10-15 मिनिटं लागतात.
तो सकाळी पोहोचणार होता.
So Karthik sir, what you going to do in Goa?
अरे यार, fun man. What else? Let's see.
Welcome to the exciting episode of the Goa trip.
Big boss.
So we are in the starting of the trip, day 1.
Day
We are at
1,
the Katraj.
early morning, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. On the Naka highway, right? So everybody is going to start now and see this. This is how this is going to be there.
हो दिनेला सांगा.
उद्या गाडीत उतरल्यानंतर तुला शिवाय.
मग परत एकदा जाऊ. चल बिअर पिऊ. आता शिवाय देतो.
नहीं किया. अच्छा, रिपीट. This is called Satrawala Khandala Ghat. Some 30-40 kilometer from Pune.
We are approximately 40 kilometers.
40 kilometers from Pune. By reading.
By reading, yes.
By reading.
आ जाने का सब लोग इकट्ठा हो गए. 2 बंदे लोग थे, पूरे नंगे खड़े हो गए उधर. बोला सब लोग निकालो. नचाओ.
सब नंगे.
नाही कोणी काढलं नाही. ते दोघांनीच काढलं. ते दोनों ही साले डांस करते रहे उसमें नंगे. बस.
दारू पी लेते का?
नहीं, दारू पीते नहीं, ऐसे ही. क्या है कैसा outing थे?
Yes, we are passing very difficult valley. Lots of curves are there, and you can see maps where we are. So somewhere we are nearby Khandala, and you can see in map Dinesh is following us. For today's tour, we are going to Goa, and I couldn't sleep whole night just because of I was very much excited about this tour. I couldn't get the sleep, and okay, so no problem. I'm enjoying this tour now. Just after 50 kilometers from Pune, we crossed Khandala, and on the way we found one very good restaurant that is called Virangula Suddha Sakahari Hotel, and here you can find lots of snacks, morning breakfast and kind of things. Okay, we have covered almost 68 kilometers from Pune. We have reached Bhuj toll Naka. Yeah, and it's the second toll Naka from the Pune. Smile please. वीडियोज है. ओके जस्ट सेकंड. एक बार फिर से बोलो ना, अच्छा लगा.
कौन सा वाला?
दिनेश का.
अरे नहीं यार, वो एडिटिंग करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ एडिटिंग पक्का करूँगा मैं. अब बताओ जल्दी. आप बताओ योगेश.
नहीं केपी राइट है वो.
नहीं वो ड्राइविंग कर रहे हैं ना.
राइट है. नहीं
एक बार बता दो.
बहुत स्लो चला रहे हो. 120 के नीचे नहीं आना अपने को. लेट करवाओगे. ऐसा गर्दन हिलाएंगे, मुंडी हिलाएंगे.
नहीं केदार, तुम 120 के नीचे नहीं आना चाहिए यार. हम लेट पहुंचेंगे कैसे होगा हमारा?
मैकडॉनल्ड्स से चिन्ह
चलते नहीं हो.
नहीं ऐसे है उधर, क्या बात कर रहे हो? नहीं चल लगाते तो. क्या बात कर रहे हो यार? वो ये चला रहा है ना विशाल अभी. चालत जायचं तुम्हाला?
इधर ही हो.
बरं चला आता ते आता अण्णा आले म्हटल्यावर काय.
चालतंय का? कोल्हापूर मध्ये चालतंय का?
क्या देवेंद्र डर तो नहीं लग रहा था?
नहीं.
ये देवेंद्र क्यों नाम लगा? देवेंद्र होता है ना नाम तो है. मतलब देवेंद्र का कुछ अलग मतलब है क्या?
नहीं देवेंद्र ही है.
Wait, why do I have to say something with such a beautiful girl? मेरी बीवी को मत बताना बस. मेरे साले को भी मत बताना कि मैं ऐसा बोल रहा था.
This is one of the very beautiful falls in Amboli. You can see nice view. It's I think 100 feet long and water coming straight in the 90-degree angle. Very beautiful.
पापा काफी टाइम रुकेंगे ना अच्छे से. ठीक है, 2-4 फोटो लीजिए.
Kalangut beach.
इधर आके खेल जाओ.
एक बार राउंड कर
Yes. You are just me.
Okay guys, welcome to the day 2 episode Goa trip 2. And we are planning to go to Arambol. In between there will be a Chapora fort, Dil Chahta Hai fort. Dil Chahta Hai fort. Yeah, that's a very good fort. You might have seen that in this movie somewhere in like you know that movie Dil Chahta. We prefer to go by one way. Yes, here it is, and you can see Karthik, Sabir, and all.
So I would like to tell something about Chapora Fort.
Yeah.
So it has been built by Portuguese.
Okay. Portuguese, right?
Yeah. And the one of the beauty about the Chapora Fort is like you can see all the three sides. You can see the sea, and there is a superb landscape from the top of the fort.
Okay.
So let's see. We will be reaching by 10-15 minutes over there. So see you after the break. Thank you.
Very beautiful location. Lots of bungalows and hotel, I guess. Between somewhere in the valley. So almost we have reached to the destination that is called Chapora Fort, and you can see that there's lots of good music around the places. I wish I can join them, but it's not in my hand. We are having full team here, around 14 people, and we are waiting for those people who has to come in this way only. Let's see, I'm waiting, and till now no sign of them. Okay, so sometimes I feel software engineers are very boring people, but I feel I should go and visit all the places and don't spend time in home and all the time in city. This is my friend Paurik Patel.
Hi.
So no sign of them. Still waiting. Hi.
Hey, bye-bye.
The place called Chopara Fort. This is the place where those guys had shot for Dil Chahta Hai. Amir Khan, Akshay Khanna, and the third guy Saif. All of them are sitting here and talking about trips. So look at it. It's beautiful. We are on the top. We can see almost everything. There are some beautiful girls sitting around there. There's some skirt also which is going up. And for some reason, there used to be a ship over there which is not visible right now. So.
We actually came here because of the Dil Chahta Hai movie.
Okay.
So all of us are friends. We've known each other for like 10 years. And
Okay.
that's when the movie was released.
Okay.
And we always wanted to come here. So, I mean, this is like the perfect season because there are not so many tourists.
Okay.
And the weather is good. So yeah, we just come.
Yeah, this is a nice location, this fort. It's breezy and the view is spectacular.
So I think Goa is just rocking.
Yeah.
And everyone should visit it like twice a year.
Yeah.
Cafe was awesome. The music, they have live music.
Okay.
Really good. Especially I think Thursday, Friday, Saturdays. And we went to Kavaki.
Okay.
That is amazing. Especially the dogs. Salt and pepper.
This is live. People are having beer here. Nice song and nice gathering. All the places. So we are going towards Mapusa city center, right? Mapusa city center. We are on the way. I think
If you come from outside, this is like the first point you come, and from there where you want to go. So this is like a center of the city, and you can have some like there are good restaurants over here also, and if you want to come by bus, go by bus. This is the point where from you can catch a bus to any place.
So you can find all the buses from this place. You can go anywhere in this Karnataka, Maharashtra, and all the places.
Not a Karnataka, but at least in the Goa.
Okay, so you are talking about the locality. In local bus we may get
bus,
here.
yeah.
Local bus, local
This is the bus you can take.
Okay, local bus and taxis will get. This is the kind of buses which we'll be getting here, and almost everything we'll find it here. That's a very good location. Okay.
Unusual things you will find in Goa, that you will also hire a bike, either like a taxi you hire in so any of the city like Pune, Mumbai, any etc. And they will charge you like a nominal rickshaw.
Nominal rickshaw.
Yeah.
So basically,
And
what you are trying
they
to say,
will-
like we can hire these bikers.
Yeah.
They can place us anytime, anywhere, and all kind
Yeah.
of thing.
And they will just drop you at your hotel
Yeah.
or anywhere.
Yeah.
Sikkirim or Kendolim, you have to go straight,
Okay.
and then if you want to go to Baga, Kalangud or Anjuna,
Okay.
you can go to the left, and there is a Panji way
Huh.
towards where we came from.
Back.
Back side you can go to Panji.
Okay.
Okay. There is also Panji way from Kendolim beach also.
Okay.
So you can find a one diversion from there also.
Okay, so basically now we are going to Kalangute and
Yeah.
Baga beach side,
Yeah.
and after that we'll plan for go to which beach?
Sikkirim.
Singquirium, right?
Sikkirim.
Singquirium, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, we are having lunch now. This is the second day, and we are getting lunch today late. And you can see non-veg. Yeah, I know. Karthik. Hi Karthik, what you having?
Goan chicken, fish, mutton and chicken.
To share? No? Say something.
वीडियो देना, मैं इसको घर पे भेजेगा.
हाँ, लड़की के लिए
इसको घर से बाहर निकालना.
हाँ, घर से बाहर निकालने. See, yeah, he's having non-veg, and this is the very good thing we got it here. I think I'm going to send this video to his hometown, and we have caught it.
Yeah, I'm at the Baga. We are at the Baga beach, and this is the what is it?
Britos, right? This restaurant and cup.
happening. Yeah, this is the most happening at
Place.
Goa beach,
हाँ,
and one of the coolest beach of the Goa is called Baga beach.
Baga Beach. Yeah. You can see it's a beautiful light on the side of the road, and lots of places, shopping malls, shops and all. It's a good nightlife in Goa. And okay, I'm going to show you on Garwa. It's very good, very nice place. Cruise in the Goa, where you can have a dance, dinner, booze, lots of parties, lots of romance, and this is the one where you can have it. I have not gone inside, but I can try. Yes,
So we are heading towards the Miramar beach.
Miramar.
Miramar beach.
Okay.
So it is in the heart of the city, Panji. It's almost a similar beach of, you can consider Juhu beach of the Bombay.
So it's breakfast time, and our babies are having milk. You can see here. Yeah. Oh, juice. Yeah. So mango. Man. Chai. Anshul has already have. Oh my.
ये बात तो है. For last 3 days, you've just been having kind of.
Kind of.
Did you enjoy it? Kind of. Did you have fun? Kind of. Did you have a good sleep? Kind of. Tell me when it's going to have real. Did you sleep? Yes, I slept.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Very close.
So hi everybody, this is day 3 of our Goa trip, and we are now going to one of the most loneliest beach of the Goa, which is called Candolim Beach, and which is like a most VIP beach, and only you will find foreigners over here, not a single Indian might be. So let's head over to the beach.
We have 3 hours. So we have reached Baga beach. You can see yesterday night also we came here, but I could not see because of light was not there.
बॉस कोई डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया तो कुछ बोट राइड वगैरह करना है
पानी देगा नहीं दे एक तो पब्लिक इतनी है इधर इसलिए तो फॉरनर आता है बहुत